Alright, picture this. You just updated to Windows 11 Agentic OS, expecting magic, but suddenly your laptop feels like it's running on chai fumes instead of electricity. Is this the future, or just another tech headache? Let's break it down together, chai in hand, because today I'm spilling all the secrets about Agentic OS, no confusion, no FOMO, just pure clarity. So, what exactly is Agentic OS? It's Microsoft's bold move to put AI agents right inside your operating system, promising to automate tasks, manage files, optimize performance, and even answer emails before you've had your first sip of tea. Sounds dreamy, right? But here's the catch. These AI agents love to party in the background, gobbling up RAM and CPU, especially if your PC is a few years old. Suddenly your apps freeze, battery drains faster than your patience, and boot times stretch longer than a family WhatsApp group chat. The fix? Head straight to settings, switch off non-essential agents, enable performance mode, and if you can, give your machine a little upgrade. Think of it as adding an extra shot to your chai. Now, let's talk privacy, because nobody likes nosy neighbors, not even digital ones. Agentic OS needs your data to work its magic, but that doesn't mean you have to share everything. Dive into privacy settings, turn off Cloud Sync for sensitive stuff, stash your private files in Secure Vault, and yes, actually read Microsoft's privacy policy. Don't worry, it's shorter than your favorite web series. Next up, notifications. If you thought your phone was clingy, wait till you meet Agentic OS. Pop-ups, reminders, suggestions. It's like having a hyperactive assistant who never takes a break. Solution? Activate Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb. Customize which agents can bug you and mute the rest from Action Center. Compatibility issues? Oh, they're real. Some older apps throw tantrums when faced with new AI features, crashes, glitches, or just refusing to open. Quick fix, run them in compatibility mode, check for updates on the Microsoft Store, and don't be shy to ask for help in online forums. Trust me, someone's already solved your problem over a midnight coding session. Over-automation is another curveball. Sometimes the AI gets too smart, auto-replying to emails or moving files you wanted untouched. Stay in control by reviewing agent permissions, setting manual approvals for important actions, and disabling auto moves for critical folders. Real talk. One user shaved a whole minute off their boot time just by disabling 3 background agents, while another kept their tax doc safe from AI indexing using Secure Vault. Pro tip, only let essential agents run at startup, schedule weekly health checks, and use voice commands wisely. Remember, your computer listens better than your siblings. So, should you upgrade? If you love automation and have a modern PC, go for it. If privacy and legacy software matter most, proceed with caution and always back up your data. Bottom line, Agentic OS is powerful, but only if you know how to tame it. Got questions or wild stories? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply faster than your AI can say, "Hello world." Like, subscribe, and let's master this tech revolution together, one cup of chai at a time.